Hey there. Today's topic is all about the upcoming SADC summit and what it means for Zimbabwe. Right off the bat, let's address the elephant in the room: President Mnangagwa's excitement over hosting this event. But is this just a distraction from Zimbabwe's pressing issues? Let's dive in. First, a quick rundown. The SADC summit is set to take place in August, and Zimbabwe will assume the chairmanship of the Southern African Development Community. The theme: promoting innovation to unlock opportunities for sustainable economic growth and development towards an industrialized SADC. Sounds promising, right? But here's where it gets interesting. Mnangagwa is pushing this summit as a grand showcase of Zimbabwe's potential and progress. He's even got impressive industrialization projects lined up, from mines to agricultural ventures. However, beneath this shiny exterior lies a backdrop of controversy and unrest. Remember the shambolic August elections last year? The ones that even the normally accommodative SADC's observation mission criticized? Yeah, those. Following the elections, the SADC leaders did little more than note the observation mission's report. No action, just a nod. Meanwhile, Zimbabwe's citizens have been signaling their frustration with manipulated elections and corrupt leadership. Instead of addressing these issues head-on, Mnangagwa and his inner circle act with near-total impunity, believing they can get away with it. On one hand, there's hope that the summit could bring real economic opportunities and development. On the other, there's a lingering fear that it's just another distraction from the country's enduring issues. Only time will tell if this summit will be a turning point or just another page in the same old story. I'm curious to know what you think. Is Mnangagwa's enthusiasm for the SADC summit a genuine step towards progress or just a clever distraction? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged. Cheers!